Hello children, it is craft time. Today we are going to learn how to make an octopus with clay. First, let us revise the 3 basic steps in clay modeling. Are you ready children? Now let's revise the 3 basic steps in clay modeling. For that, I am using a non-toxic clay or play dough. The first step is round ball. For that, you have to take a clay, squeeze it in your palms and then roll it in between your palms in a circular mode and you will get a smooth round ball. The second step is the coil shape. For the coil shape, what you have to do is first make a round ball and then roll the clay into a sausage shape like this. This is your coil shape. Step 3 is to make a egg shape. For that, first you have to roll the ball and then roll one side of the ball downwards where you'll get a long oval shape like this. What you have to do is pinch off the extra clay to get the oval shape like this. This is your oval shape. Now, based on these 3 steps, we are going to make an octopus. For making an octopus, we need a blue, white and a black clay. We also need a pencil and a ruler. So children, the first thing we are going to do is the base. For that, we need to take the blue clay and I am going to divide it into 3 different sizes. First, I have divided the blue clay into 3 different sizes. The small one is for the base. The middle one is for the arms and the big one is for the head. So the first step to make an octopus is to make the base. So for the base we use the small one. Children, just see how Lata Miss is going to make the base. Look children, I have taken the small clay, the small ball to make the base. Base ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ നമ്മൾ ഈ small ball of blue clay ആണ് നമ്മൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്. What you have to do is, we have to press it like this to get a flat circle. കണ്ടോ? നമുക്കൊരു flat circle നമുക്ക് കിട്ടിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. This is our flat circle and this is the base. This is our first step. Now we are going to keep this base aside. Next, we are going to do the arms. For that, I am taking the medium size ball. Okay? What you have to do is, first thing, we have to roll it nicely. നല്ലപോലെ നമ്മൾ roll ചെയ്യണം in between our palm and then you are going to make it into a sausage shape. Sausage shape പോലെ ഉണ്ടാക്കിയിട്ട് and you keep rolling it till you get a very thin coil shape. Thin coil shape കിട്ടുന്ന വരെ നമ്മൾ ഇതുപോലെ roll ചെയ്യണം. See, here you can see the thumb has got a very thin coil shape. ഇതുപോലെ thin ആയിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ coil shape roll ചെയ്യണം. Okay? Now, children, an octopus have 8 arms. So, we are going to cut 8 equal pieces for the arms. For that, I am going to use this ruler to cut 8 arms. Children, just see carefully. 1, see I am cutting it like this. Kanda. Ini, idupole you have to cut out 8 arms. Keep it like this. Same, equally you have to cut it. See children, I have got 8 arms here. The next thing you have to do is, you have to take each arm, make a point at one end like this and flatten the other end. Same way you have to do for all the 8 arms. You have to make a point at one end and then flatten the other end like this. കണ്ടോ? ഒരു എൻഡ് നമ്മളിങ്ങനെ പോയിന്റ് ചെയ്യണം, മറ്റേ എൻഡ് നമ്മളിങ്ങനെ തമ്പും കൊണ്ടൊന്ന് ഫ്ലാറ്റൻ ചെയ്യണം. ഇങ്ങനെ പ്രസ് ചെയ്ത് കൊടുത്താൽ മതി. You get it like this. See children, now I have made all the 8 arms pointed on one end and flattened the other end. Next what we are going to do is, we are going to stick all the 8 arms to this base one at a time. മനസ്സിലായോ? നമ്മൾ ഈ ഫ്ലാറ്റ് എൻഡ് ഈ ബേസിലേക്ക് സ്റ്റിക്ക് ചെയ്ത് കൊടുക്കാൻ പോവാം. ഓക്കെ, ജസ്റ്റ് ലുക്ക് കെയർഫുള്ളി. Here I have taken the first arm, I am putting it here, the flat base I am keeping it on the base and giving it a slight press. See children, I have fixed the first arm like this. Same way you have to fix all the other arms on this base one at a time. So here I have fixed all the 8 arms on the base and your arms are fixed well. Okay, now next what we are going to do, we are going to curl the tips. ഈ ടിപ്പൊക്കെ കണ്ടോ? ഈ പോയിന്റ് ടിപ്പ് കണ്ടോ? ഇതെല്ലാം നമ്മൾ കേൾ ചെയ്യാൻ പോവാം. മിസ് കാണിച്ചു തരാം എങ്ങനെയാ കേൾ ചെയ്യുന്നതെന്ന്. കണ്ടോ? വാട്ട് യു ഹാവ് ടു ഡു ഇസ്, മേലോട്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ കേൾ ചെയ്യാന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇങ്ങനെ വളച്ചു കൊടുക്കണം ഓക്ടോപ്പസിൻ്റെ ആം. സോ ഇറ്റ് ലുക്ക് ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ. നോ പ്രോബ്ലം ഇഫ് ഇറ്റ് ഫോൾസ് ഡൗൺ ലൈക്ക് ദിസ്. ഓക്കെ, സെയിം വേ എല്ലാ ആമും നിങ്ങളിങ്ങനെ ഒന്ന് കേൾ ചെയ്ത് കൊടുക്കണം. See, I have curled all the 8 arms like this. So these are the 8 arms. Next we are going to make the head of the octopus. For that we are going to use the big one, the big blue clay for the head of the octopus. Now just look carefully how we are going to make the head. For that children, you have to roll the blue clay into a smooth round ball. See, I have rolled it into a smooth round ball. Now I am going to make an egg shape out of this ball. You remember our third step, our egg shape. We are going to make an egg shape. See, if you have an extra clay like this, you can just pinch it off and you can cover it neatly and you'll get an oval shape or an egg shape like this. Okay, so this is your head of the octopus. See, this is your head of the octopus. Now what you need, ini endha vende namakku, we need the eyes. Now for the eyes of the octopus we need 2 small balls of white clay and 2 small balls of black clay. First thing, we have to make 2 holes for the eyes of the octopus. For that, I am using this pencil and with this end, I am going to make 2 holes for the eyes. Okay, this engana 2 holes undakiyadu like this. See, can you see here? 2 holes for the eyes of the octopus. Now, inside these holes, you are going to fix in the white ball. See? And give a slight press. Same way here, you are giving it a slight press. Give a slight press and see? It looks like this. Next, what you are going to do is place the black clay on the white, and that too also give it a slight press. looks like this. Now to highlight the eyes, you can give a tiny white spot on this black clay. See, your eyes of the octopus is ready now. Now what should you give? Can we give a nice smile for your octopus? Yes, for that we are going to draw a smile with the point. കണ്ടോ ഒരു ചെറിയ സ്മൈൽ നമ്മുടെ octopusന് കൊടുക്കാം. See, your octopus is there with a very nice smile. Now we are going to fix the head on the base. See, like this. Next we are going to make a cute cap for your octopus. For that we need 2 white balls. Okay, take one white ball and place it on one side of your octopus head like this. See, ഒരു ചെറിയ ബോൾ വൈറ്റ് ബോൾ എടുത്തിട്ട് നമ്മുടെ octopusന്റെ ഹെഡിന്റെ ഒരു സൈഡിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ സ്റ്റിക്ക് ചെയ്യണം. Now next what we are going to do is we are taking the other white ball and roll it into a coil shape. Coil shape ആയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ roll ചെയ്തിട്ട് and we are going to wrap it over this white ball. Wrap it over this white ball like this. See, your octopus is here with a cap. Now, to make your octopus look more attractive, we can give white balls on the arms. Very tiny white balls you can stick on the arms of your octopus. Children, see, now your octopus is looking very cute, right? Now what you can do is, with the point, you can give small holes on the white dot. Your cute octopus is ready. Hope you learned how to make an octopus with clay. Children, practice at home to get a perfect octopus. That's all for today. See you in the next class.